Maybe when you get rid of this Trinity stuff, then you'll start understanding these things better, bro, because Trinity messes you up,
Be
right?
not drunk with wine, but
That's what
filled
I'm
with the
talking.
Spirit.
100%. No
But when
drinking.
you drunk, you say things you normally don't say.
100%.
When you have the Holy Spirit, you say things that you normally don't say, but you should
feel
say
you.
it all the time.
And that's why I don't drink. All right, good. No more drinking, bro. All right.
I stopped drinking a long time ago.
I'm with you on that one, man. Give me that. Give me that. Give me that, bro. No drinking.
Drinking get you in trouble.
No pork.
Yeah.
No.
I like it.
I eat
It's a
pork.
filthy
I
meat
eat
in the
pork.
Bible.
Well, I live to be 72 years old. And
Oh, you can live to be 100. It's still bad for you.
Right, but
There are people who smoke cigars.
It's not going to send you to hell.
Well,
It might get you there. It might kill you and get you there.
disobeying the laws of God.
Huh?
Did Jesus eat pork?
I don't know. It doesn't
He didn't.
say
He
did or
didn't.
didn't.
Did he eat pork?
It doesn't say he did or didn't.
Emmanuel will tell you. Educate him. Did he eat pork?
No, he didn't.
No, he did not.
But where
He's
is it-
honest at least.
Where it says in the Bible that Jesus didn't or did eat pork.
Like, did he live by the law?
Yes,
According to the Bible, yes. And according to the law, pork was forbidden by God. So
Okay.
Jesus didn't eat pork because he lived by the law.
Okay.
Right? So everything, circumcision, everything keeping the Sabbath, everything that was in the law, according to the Bible, he lived by. So Jesus didn't eat pork, and I don't eat pork. And you need to kick that pork.
You think so?
I think so. Have a good one, bro.
You do the same.
All right.